Napoleon Hill said something powerful. We are controlled by unseen forces. You cannot see these forces, but they control your money, your choices, and your future. In this video, I will explain what these unseen forces are, how they control your life, and how you can start to control them. Watch until the end because I will give you a simple 2-minute exercise you can do every day to change your financial future. Think about this scenario. You say, this month I will save money, but then you buy food, clothes, and small things online, and at the end of the month, you save nothing. You are not stupid or lazy. You are pulled by unseen forces inside your mind. Napoleon Hill talks about this in his book, Think and Grow Rich, in the chapter, The Brain. He says we cannot see these forces, but we can see the results in our life. Now let's look at these forces one by one. Unseen force 1, strong emotions. Emotions are stronger than logic. You feel bored, lonely, or stressed, and then you buy something. You do not really decide. Your feeling makes the decision. This is emotional autopilot that spends your time and your money. Unseen force 2, old beliefs and habits. From childhood, you hear things like, money is hard to get, rich people are bad, and we are poor people. This is our life. These sentences become your beliefs, and beliefs become habits. You avoid risk, say I can't afford it very fast, and never even try. This is your subconscious mind controlling you. Unseen force 3, people around you. Napoleon Hill says thoughts are contagious, like a virus. If your friends always complain, hate their job, and laugh at investing or business, you start to think the same. Their normal becomes your normal, and their limit becomes your limit. Unseen force 4, information you take in. Every day you see news, social media, and short videos. Most of it is fear, drama, and fake success. Your brain is like a radio that receives all these signals. After some time, you start to think, I am behind. The world is dangerous, and I will never succeed. This becomes your default thinking, and your default thinking becomes your life. In Think and Grow Rich, Hill says, the brain is a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. The simple meaning is, your brain is always sending a signal and always receiving a signal. Thought plus emotion equals a strong signal. If you think again and again, I am bad with money, I always fail, and this will not work, your brain looks for proof. You don't see chances, you don't try new things, and you stop quickly. But if you think, I am learning money skills, every day I get a little better, and I see opportunities and I act, then your brain also looks for proof of this. You notice more, act more, and grow more. Example 1, impulse spending. You say, I am bad with money, but the truth is you are tired, stressed, and scrolling. You see many ads, you click, and you buy. Emotion plus habits plus environment equals no savings. Example 2, not starting. You want a side hustle or project but say, I have no time, even though you have time for Netflix, TikTok, and games. The real unseen force is fear of failure and fear of judgment. Example 3, quitting fast. You start the gym or a YouTube channel, but after 3 weeks you quit because inside you think, things never work for me. So one small problem feels like proof, and you stop. Now how do you take control? Step 1, one clear 90-day goal. Not get rich, but choose one clear goal like save $500 in 90 days, pay this one debt in 90 days, or make my first $100 online in 90 days. Write it on paper. Step 2, one auto-suggestion sentence. Write one simple sentence and say it every day. For example, every day I do one small action to increase my income, or day by day I become better with money. Say it with feeling every morning. Step 3, one 30-minute daily action. Choose one action for 30 minutes every day. Learn by watching or reading about money, skills, or business. Build by working on a side hustle or project. Or fix by checking your money budget and bills. Do it every day with no excuse. Step 4, remove one big problem. Ask, what one thing keeps me stuck? Maybe it is scrolling in the morning, junk food delivery at night, or negative friends. For 30 days, reduce or remove just one of these. You are now changing the unseen forces around you. Napoleon Hill's message is not magic. He says you are already controlled by unseen forces, emotion, beliefs, people, and information. You can sleep and stay controlled, or you can wake up and control them. Now write in the comments your 190-day money goal and one unseen force that controls you. Fear, friends, old beliefs, or something else. When you write it, you can see it, and when you see it, you can change it. If you like videos about building wealth and success step by step, subscribe to this channel. This is Rich Mind City. Here we train your mind so you can change your money.